Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in the world of smart wearables. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Amazfit Bip 5. This remarkable smartwatch is here to redefine your expectations of what a wearable device can do. Let's jump right in and discover why the Amazfit Bip 5 is causing a buzz in the smartwatch market. It's not just a smartwatch, it's a powerful companion that can transform your daily life. Features of the Amazfit Bip 5. Sleek design. The Amazfit Bip 5 boasts a sleek and modern design that's both stylish and comfortable to wear. It's a perfect blend of fashion and functionality. Vibrant AMOLED display. The watch features a vibrant AMOLED display that brings your notifications and watch faces to life. It's easy to read, even in bright sunlight. Health and fitness tracking. The Amazfit Bip 5 is your fitness partner, tracking your steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns. It's equipped with sensors that monitor your health and keep you informed. Long battery life. With an impressive battery life, you can wear the Amazfit Bip 5 all day and night without worrying about constant recharging. Water resistance. This smartwatch is built to withstand your active lifestyle. It's water resistant, making it suitable for swimming and other water-related activities. Smart features. From receiving notifications to controlling your music, this watch offers a range of smart features that make your life more convenient. Custom watch faces. Personalize your watch with a variety of custom watch faces that suit your style and mood. So, how can you make the most of your Amazfit Bip 5? Fitness tracking. Use it to track your daily activity, set fitness goals, and monitor your progress. It's your personal fitness coach on your wrist. Health monitoring. Keep tabs on your heart rate and sleep quality. The watch provides insights to help you improve your overall well-being. Stay connected. Receive and respond to notifications from your smartphone right on your wrist. It keeps you connected without the need to pull out your phone. Timeless style. The elegant design makes it suitable for any occasion, from workouts to formal events. It's a versatile accessory. Music control. Manage your music playback without reaching for your phone. Adjust the volume or change tracks with ease. In conclusion, the Amazfit Bip 5 is more than just a smartwatch, it's a lifestyle accessory. It's about staying connected, staying healthy, and staying stylish, all in one sleek package. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your daily life with this exceptional smartwatch. Thank you for tuning in to discover the world of the Amazfit Bip 5. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please show your support by liking and sharing it. And if you're an Amazfit Bip 5 owner, share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Together, we can embrace the future of wearable technology and elevate our everyday experiences.